Okay, you're live. So I guess we do the quiz now, right?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Okay. Do you guys want to just get started and we'll read one and then just keep going in our circle?
Sure.
Okay. Do you want me to read first or does somebody else want to?
I'll read first. Which of the following variables is /r categorical? And that is B, because it's randomly selected brand of toothpaste, convenience store, or yeah.
Yeah, I think it's B too. What do you think, Peter?
Yeah, the second one.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want me to read the next one or do you want to, Peter?
I can do it. The mean IQ test score in the United States is 100. 20 randomly selected statistics students took an IQ test, and the mean of their scores was 112. Which of the following statements are true? I put down parameter as 100 and statistic as 112.
I did too.
Okay.
Is that what you want, Krista?
Yeah. Yep.
Rothman City has 4 district neighborhoods. The property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from neighborhood to neighborhood. One neighborhood has a very low property value and another has extremely high property value. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to the property values. What type of sample should we collect to engage the resident response to proposed increase in popular taxes? I put stratified. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
What did you guys put?
I was thinking stratified or cluster. I think stratified though.
Oh, yeah, I had stratified.
Okay.
When experiments are conducted in a public school system,
Is yours cutting out for her?
Yeah.
Yeah, same here.
Can you hear us, Krista? Do you just want to type what you got for that one?
district randomly select features of the district using.
I think it's just slow.
Yeah.
Can you type, Krista?
Yeah, I just did.
Did you get anything, Peter?
From the typing?
Yeah.
No, I'm not seeing anything. Oh,
Okay.
wait a second. Oh, it just says, "Can you hear me?"
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, yeah, duh, it is you. Yeah, I didn't see
I'll,
anything from her.
I'll just text you, Krista, and you can tell us what you got, and then I'll text you what we got. Does
Okay.
that sound good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So I got clustered.
Yeah, I got clustered too.
Okay. I'll send the text. Um, okay. So let's move on to the, and we'll just keep texting her unless we can hear her.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to read number 7?
So we are on 7. Okay. Sorry, my quiz locked up. At a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented? Seven. Is it simple random, or I had trouble with this one.
I think it's random because they just put it in a hat and then they picked out.
Yeah.
And there's nothing like, no system to it, so.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just text Krista. I don't know if she can hear us or not. Okay. So a special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone National Park. To adequately gauge opinions on both sides of the political spectrum, the researchers took the list of registered Democrats and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Then they took a list of registered Republicans and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. What type of sampling scheme was implemented? So for 8, I got stratified again. Did you get something different?
No, I got the stratified as well.
Okay. You got systematic? Why?
You guys hear me right now?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. So, I thought it was, I don't know, maybe my thinking was wrong, but I just thought like systematic was, like how it kind of narrows people down. But I guess like stratified probably is the answer. So.
Well, okay. So systematic is every case or every certain number in the population. It's like every fifth. And then stratified is divided data into similar groups, and the simply random selected in each group. So I'm thinking they just split the Republicans and the Democrats, and then they just random sampled in them, right? So I think it is stratified because there's no certain number to it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I might be wrong, and you might be right.
No,
I don't know.
systematic just says every like something in the item in the population. That's what it says on the notes. So.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're doing the numbers, so that should be fun. Do you want to read, Krista?
Sure. A survey
Okay.
was taken of purchases at the Crossroads. Open the data file Crossroads Purchases and use this data to answer question 9 through 11.
Okay.
Let me open that up.
So we'll have to calculate the mean first. I got 4.863. What did you guys get?
I got 4.77.
Did you?
Oh, 1 second, I haven't opened that one up. You guys can still hear me though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Because if you use Excel, sometimes it's different than SPSS. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I used Excel, so
Okay.
I probably should have used SPSS.
It doesn't really say you have to use one or the other.
Yeah.
Um, yeah.
So you got 4.86?
Yeah, 4.863. And you got what? You got,
4.771?
yeah, it's kind of a lot off. uh,
I don't know. I mean, I'll trust you because I used Excel, and normally I know we're supposed to use the SPSS, so
well, I don't know if it's always right. I could try it again and see if I still get the same answer. So yeah, let's see. Oh, I got 4.771.
cool.
So I might have been wrong. Isn't that kind of close to what you got?
Yeah, I got 4.771.
Okay, yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Sorry, I guess it was me.
No, it's
I
fine.
did it wrong the first time.
I thought I was wrong, but
Yeah, no, I think you're right. I'm glad you got the right answer.
the thing that threw me off was on the prep or whatever review for exam, it didn't say the rounding, so I just wrote like
Yeah.
not the whole number out, but I wrote to like 5 decimal places. So
Yeah, no, I know. I was thinking about that too. I'm
I'm
like,
like
how do I
I'm like,
know?
wait, none of these questions say what you're supposed to round to. So
Yeah. So, Krista, did you find what you got?
Yeah, I was still looking up um the Crossroads purchases file. Like, I don't know where I lost it.
Okay. Um, all right. So for standard deviation, did you get 0.207?
I got 1.92.
Hmm.
Well, 1.912, which seems a little high.
Yeah. Um, yeah, that's weird because we were both on for the mean, but the standard deviation were off.
What standard deviation did you have?
0.207.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's
Yeah, I
weird.
don't know. I don't know how to do it in Excel. I only know SPSS, so I yeah.
I think it's pretty much the same. I mean, you just copy and paste. You copy and
Okay.
paste the stuff from the Crossroads thing to the other thing. I don't know what it's called, and then it just gives you them at the top.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Well, since our means are the same, I don't think I did it wrong in SPSS. I think it's just different programs.
Yeah,
So
that makes sense.
I guess we'll just have to see which one is right. Or, I don't know. Okay.
I think I'm gonna jump off the call. Like because I didn't get like all of the questions done. I kind of feel like, yeah, I should do that before.
Okay.
But
I didn't get all of them either, to be honest, but
Yeah, if you want to just stay on and we can talk about how we did it, that's fine. Like more minds are better than less, right?
yeah, too bad because like
Okay. So,
I'll be
do
fine
we
though.
just, I'm sorry, what?
I'll just jump off like because like I think I'll be fine. Like I mean, be good.
Okay. All right. Okay, good luck.
See you guys.
so yeah.
Bye. Okay. So, 11 is just asking if you did make the histogram.
Yeah, and it made it. I mean, it made it for me. So
Yeah. Do you want to move on to 12 then?
yeah.
Okay. Um, so let's see here. Sorry, one sec. I have to find it in my notes.
That's fine.
Yeah. So, okay. What's the question again? What is the value of the number that goes in the position marked A in the table above? I got negative 0.165.
Okay. Yeah, I wrote down negative 0.17, so I guess I'll change it because I didn't, like I said, I didn't know the decimal places. So
Yeah, no. Okay, so I guess we probably got the same then there. That's
yeah.
good. It's a
So
good sign.
negative 0.165.
Yeah.
Okay, what is 13? What is the value of the number that goes in the position marked with a B in the table above? So I got 0.689,
Yeah.
I guess you'd round it to.
Um, I don't know. I have one. 0.681.
0.689.
Yeah.
I got 0.6889.
Mm, um,
So I mean that would round to 9, but
yeah. I wonder if I just didn't round it right or because they're so close.
yeah.
Let me just look at what I have. Mm,
So
oh, okay. Okay. So I got this. Um, yeah, I don't know what happened. Do you mind if I just redo it really fast?
yeah,
See what we will get.
I'm gonna redo it too.
So let's see here. What does that mean?
Yeah, I'm still getting 0.6889.
Okay.
Because you would do 38.08, which is the mean, minus 37.25, which will give you 0.83, and then, I mean, 0.83 times 0.83. That's how I.
Okay. So, Yeah, you do. Basically, you take the mean and you take the number and you subtract the mean, and then you square it, and then you have to divide by n minus, or yeah, n minus 1, so 3, and then you take the square root of that.
Okay.
Find the standard deviation. Yeah, I had a hard time with that. I had to ask my husband to explain it to me. So that's why I got that number.
Okay. Yeah, I
That way,
didn't know about the 3 thing.
yeah, do you remember when we, I don't know, when we had to do the standard deviation by hand? It's
Yeah.
basically the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, and so that's why I got a different number. It's so crazy how close they were too.
Yeah, that's weird.
You'd think it'd be way farther, but do you want me to write, like, say it again so you can write it down? Are you good?
I'm good.
Okay. What did you get for 14?
14. What is the quantity equals? I didn't really know.
Yeah, I was really confused about it too. So I put none of these is correct, but I'm not sure because it's not the mean, and
It didn't really make sense. So
yeah, and it's not the standard deviation. And I asked my husband about the variance, and he said you have to divide it by a certain number. So if you just add it up, I don't know what it would be. So
yeah. Okay.
all right. What is the standard deviation of these temperatures? I got 0.238.
Did you do it by hand?
No, I did not.
Okay.
I don't think so. Or maybe I did. I can't remember. Let me look. No, I think I did do that by hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't do this one because I didn't know how to do it like with Excel or anything. So
You know what? Actually, that's the one where I did the whole. You know what I said on 13? No, I did that for 15. I'm sorry. So you might be right on 13. What did you get again?
I got 0.689.
9. Okay. So I'm sorry. Just give me 1 second. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm kind of slow when it comes to calculating stuff, so this is why I have to do everything beforehand because I'm so far behind. So for the mean, you got 38.075, right?
Yeah, I rounded it to 38.08.
Oh, okay. All right. So let's see here. If I take 37, 9. Yeah, I got 0.681 again. And it might be because you rounded up.
Yeah, that might have
You know what I mean?
thrown me off.
Yeah, and I don't know if that's like completely wrong or if it's right or whatever, but I think that's why we got a different answer.
Okay.
Okay. And then for 16, what did you get?
416. Isn't it? It's false, right?
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
it's always like a certain amount away from the mean. It can't ever be negative. Can't like, I don't know. It's either positive or yeah. Okay. 17. I put extradil. I don't even know how to say that. Because I felt like it had the lowest standard deviation, but I could be wrong on that one. What did you put?
Yeah, I put extradural.
Yeah, whatever. Okay. 18's easy.
Yeah.
Okay. So, number 19. Do you have 6?
What is the third quartile? I have 8.
You have 8.
Because isn't the middle of the box the median? Or no, that's the mean.
Yeah, you might be right. It might be 8. Because there's only 4.
Because
You're right.
the 5 is minimum. So it goes minimum, quartile 1, mean, quartile 3, maximum.
Yeah, you're right. I'm wrong.
Okay.
And then I got 68.
Yep.
20.
68.
Yeah.
Just like the basic rules.
Yeah. Let's see. So I got for 20 or 21 on this.
Yeah.
Got 2.06.
Did you? This one was confused. This whole problem was confusing to me. So.
Oh, yeah, no, it was super confusing. So I had to ask my husband again. He's a calculus tutor, if you're wondering. That's why I ask him all these questions. So for the first formula, the mean minus 2 sigma,
Yeah.
you would write that down and you would make it equal to 1.59. And then you would write down the other formula, mu plus 2 sigma, and you make it equal to 2.52. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
And then you add them together. So it would be 2 mu, and then because it's minus 2 sigma and plus 2 sigma, they just cancel each other out. And then you equal, and then you add 1.59 and then 2.52 together. And then you divide it by 2.
Okay. Let me
Get
just.
rid of the 2 before mu.
Okay.
Yeah. Algebra is not my forte. So,
Oh, me neither.
yeah. So it made more sense once he explained it to me, and hopefully it's right. If it's not, I'm sorry. But I have no other idea how
Okay.
else.
Yeah, it seems to make sense.
Yeah.
When hopefully it's not on the test too much. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm hoping that too. So what did you get for 21?
For the mean or for the standard deviation?
22 the standard deviation.
I didn't get that one. I didn't get either of the ones for this question.
Yeah, okay. I'm trying to think, how did he explain it to me? I can't remember how we figured that one out. I'm sorry. I'll have to ask him how we did it, but yeah, I got 0.233. Wait. Oh, okay, so I think we figured out the mean, right?
Yeah.
For the 21. So I just took the mean and I put it in as mu. So mu minus 2 sigma equals 1.59. And then I just solved for sigma. That's how we did it.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, you couldn't figure it out unless you got the mean first.
Yeah.
Okay. I got the last numbers for 23, 1.822 and 2.288.
Yeah, the third one obviously doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Neither does the second one. The first one, the gap just seems too big. So
Yeah.
just based on looking at them, that's really the only one that would make sense for that percentage.
Yeah. Well, and I just took the mean and I subtracted and added the standard deviation from 21 and 22.
Yeah.
And that's how I got that. So, okay. Oh, and this one, my husband didn't even know. We had to look it up. But for 24, I got 0. Is that what you got?
0 for, is this, the numbers don't match up. This is what's confusing me.
Yeah, so what is the value of the mean of standard normal distribution?
0.
Yeah, and then 25 on the actual quiz, what is the value of the standard deviation of standard normal distribution? Is 1.
Yeah, I think that's straight from the text.
Yeah, it is. And I didn't realize it, and I was like freaking out, and then we had to look it up, and I figured it out.
It was really hard to find everything in the text. Because like
Yeah.
that's how I am when I take tests. Like I have to make sure it's right. Like
Yeah.
it's like, where can I prove that this is right?
Yeah. Yeah. No. And this one confused me. I don't know if it confused you.
The admissions ones.
Yeah, because it's the mean. So isn't it just 50%? So 0.5, right?
For you're talking about
For 20.
for the mean for 26?
What is the probability
Yeah.
that a randomly selected student will score? Yeah. So yeah, isn't it 50%? So it's 0.5 if you put it in a decimal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's making more sense.
It just didn't say, because this would have been 24. Yeah, 24 on the questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is, what is the probability that a randomly selected student will score below a 600 on the GMAT? So I did not get all the numbers. So let me do this really fast.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. Were we supposed to use the applet for this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Okay, and let's see. Did you get 68.4?
I have not put it in yet.
Well, actually, it would be 0.684. Okay.
I'm using my phone because my computer's slow.
That's fair.
Zero 0.684.
Mhm. Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay.
And then 28, you just take 1 and you subtract that. So I got 0.316.
Yeah.
And then these ones got a lot harder, I felt like.
Yeah.
So, um,
I'm trying to get there in my notes.
yeah, I just realized I didn't do that one right, so I'm gonna redo it really fast.
Okay.
Okay, so it's okay. Okay, so sorry that took me a bit.
No, my computer's being really slow.
I'm sorry.
That's all good.
So I don't know what you have, but I have 3.88.
Okay. I'm quickly trying to redo them. Okay. So this is 10th percentile. Okay. Yeah, I'm not getting what I think is right, so.
Do you want me to go through it with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So you go to the applet,
Okay.
and I'll just go into the applet. And then at the top, well, first of all, you just highlight the left part, just the left part. And then you put in 0.10 for 10%.
Okay.
And it gives you the z-score. And you use the one that you go to the line that it's highlighted. So sometimes it highlights the bottom and the middle, so you would use the positive one. But since it only highlighted the left part, you just use the negative one.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So negative 1.282. And so then you just have to you take, so I just put x for the number we're trying to find, minus the mean, divided by standard deviation equals negative 1.282. And then I just took the z-score, negative 1.282, and times it by the standard deviation, 120.54. And then I added 542.3 to get x. And that's just kind of how I figured out all of
Okay.
those.
I remember this, but it's just tricky
Yeah.
right now. I remember doing it.
Yeah, well, like, and before I got really confused about percentile with the applet because I thought it was just the middle one. But my husband had to explain to me that it's only the left part unless it shades the left and middle part. So
Okay.
yeah, it could like really mess you up. But yeah, and so that's what I did for the 29, 30, 31, and 32. I just basically did that same formula over and over again.
Okay. So does that the first number change, or like the negative 1.282? That's the one that changes for percentiles and everything?
Yeah, so you have to always find the z-score for each percentile,
Okay. Yeah.
but the rest of the
Now I remember.
formula, yeah. So the rest of the formula stays the same.
Okay.
Um, if you want, I can just wait and you can do it yourself, and then we can see if we got the same score. I mean, the same numbers or what.
Yeah, we can try that.
Yeah. Okay.
Give me like a few minutes.
Yeah, you're fine. Don't worry about it. I take forever. Like I have to write everything down, and so no worries.
Okay, I'm getting like some super big numbers here.
Okay.
For the 10 percentile, we're rounding this to
Whole
nearest whole
number.
number. That I would have gotten 388. Does that make any sense
Yeah.
to you?
Yeah, because you're trying to figure out the GMAT score.
Oh,
And
okay. That's why I was thrown off. Okay.
yeah, no, so that makes total sense, and that's exactly
Yeah.
what I got.
Okay, so you got 388 and 697, if you round it
I
up.
got 698.
698.
Yeah, what did you have like the full number? Because
I
I
had 696.6064.
okay, so I have 697.7.
Okay. Huh.
Yeah. Let me just check my math and make sure.
Okay, yeah, that's
Do anything weird.
that's just my. No, I was like, why are these numbers so big? This is bad.
I know,
But
math's just
sometimes it's, I guess it's sometimes it's reading the question. So
yeah. Okay, so hmm. Yeah, I still got 697.7.
okay, yeah,
Your Z-score for that one.
okay, that might just be my bad, but it's so close that it's like, so you're getting
Yeah.
698 as your whole number.
Yeah.
So 29, 388, 30, 698.
Wait, what? I'm sorry.
You
What
got
are we talking about?
you got 388 for 29.
388 for 29, yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, just making sure.
I thought you were talking, yeah, I thought you were talking about 31, and I was like, wait, what?
I'm not even there yet. So,
Okay, no worries.
and then wait, explain to me how you do the first and third quartile.
Okay, so the first quartile, at least this is what I think it's 25%, right?
Yeah, so it'd be
So,
25, 25, and 75.
yeah, at least that's what I think it is, right? Like, that's basically what the 10th
Yeah,
percentile is.
that makes sense.
Yeah, so I think you just do it the same way, it's just phrased differently.
So 25 and 75. Whole number. Okay. Okay, so I'm getting for 25% or for the first quartile, 461.
Did you get 461.95?
No, I got, what did I get exactly here? 461.3295.
So weird. Because I have 4.6195.
Okay, all right.
So
So,
I rounded up to 2.
so
So
you
what's your
rounded up.
z-score?
What was the z-score?
Yeah, what did you get for the z-score for 25%?
Put it into the.
Did you get a positive z-score or a negative one?
I got a negative z-score
Okay,
for
I did.
the first quartile.
Yeah. I wonder why we're off. It's weird. Just by like a little.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, this
Are
is
you
weird. I don't know, like, what I'm doing off.
well, I don't know if it's you or if it's me. That's what's making me nervous is I don't know who is right, you know?
Yeah. And then
Um,
for third quartile, I got 623. I just wrote down the whole number.
okay, so I got 624.
Okay. It's this. It must be it's the same. It must be the same issue then. I don't know.
Yeah. Let's see. But I'm looking. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. Um,
I mean, it's not like I didn't like shave anything off. Like I didn't round up for the standard deviation or anything. I mean, I'm using the numbers that they gave, that they give you at the top. So
yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Okay. So for the z-score, I got 0.674.
yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay. So
Okay, yeah, I got 623.54 now. So yeah, that would round up to. Is that what you got?
you see, that's the weird thing is I have 624.4. I
Dang.
don't.
So you would be rounding it up to.
See, I wouldn't even have to round it. It's already.
Oh, okay. So it'd be six. Okay.
I don't know. That's super weird.
Well, if I round it, I would get 624. So
Yeah.
I'm at least closer.
Yeah. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm using the calculator off of my computer. Are you
Yeah.
using a different kind of calculator?
I use my phone or I just use.
Oh,
I have been using my phone.
okay. Maybe that's what it is. Like, I think it might be just because sometimes when I use my phone, I'm off by just a little bit too.
Okay.
So I bet you that's why. I bet you if you used a different calculator, we would be on the same page.
Okay.
So at least I think so. I might be wrong, but
Okay. So 33.
yeah.
Okay.
Do you need help with this one, or do you already know?
I don't have these answers. No.
Okay. No, that's fine. So this is how I figured it out. I'm not sure if it's correct, but from the homework, this is what we did.
Mm-hmm.
So you get the normal mean, and you divide it by sigma over square root of n. So it would be the normal mean. I don't remember what that number is.
Yeah.
you divide it by the, um, sorry, I'm
Is it by
blinking.
the standard deviation?
Yeah, so you divide by the standard deviation divided by
Where
square root of n,
okay.
which is
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm gonna use my the calculator on my computer
Yeah.
because it's probably gonna screw up again. Okay. I remember doing this stuff, but it was yeah.
Yeah. Well then, yeah.
But this is at least stuff we've done more recently.
Yeah, so that's nice.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, I think I'm telling you wrong. I'm sorry. Okay, so the mean is normal. Like it's just the normal mean because it doesn't change. It's the
Yeah,
standard
the
deviation. That's what
542.3.
what?
The mean from the top.
Yeah, so 543.2. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm sorry. So I'm telling you about the standard deviation. Sorry. Yeah, because I just did it and I'm like, wait, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah. So yeah, so the standard deviation doesn't change, but to find standard deviation, use 543.2 divided by 120.54 divided by the square root of 15.
Okay,
That's
yeah,
it.
that's what I have been doing.
Yeah. Yeah, because I told you wrong. Sorry.
It's all good. So we're rounding to nearest 10. Did you get 17.4?
Yep.
Good.
Yeah. So you have to round to 3 decimal places. So did you get 17.424?
Yep, 17.424.
Yeah. Okay. I think it was just the calculator on your phone. That's what was going on.
Yeah, I think it only rounds to a certain place.
Yeah.
So I should probably just get a real calculator or use a real calculator.
Yeah. Okay. And then, yeah. And then I assume you know how to do the last problem, right?
Yeah, it's where you 600 minus the mean. Is that the yeah? It should be 600 minus
Yeah.
542.3 over. So is it over 120.54 divided by the standard deviation of 15, or is it just the standard deviation?
Okay. So it's 600 subtract from 542.3
Okay.
divided by 120 point, what is it? 0.54 divided by the square root of 15.
Okay, so it's kind of stays the same. All right, cool.
Yeah. So,
Okay, I'll have the answer in a second here. Sorry, I just had a test today, so I'm a little behind.
No, you're fine. Like, don't feel bad about it at all.
Communicable the diseases class. I don't know what your major is, but
Oh, yeah, no, I had to take that, and yeah, it's intense. Yeah, no, I totally understand. uh,
are you getting let's see, round 2, 3 decimals? 1.854.
sorry, one sec. I'm just checking my math.
Okay.
Oh, I did it wrong. Sorry, one sec.
It's all good.
What did you get? I'm sorry.
I got 1.584.
Mm.
Did you get
I
something?
got 1.854. So,
Yeah, that's what I got.
okay, we're good then.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's see how it did. Unless you want to go over something. Do you feel bad about any of your answers?
Nah. I mean, I should have done more prep
Yeah.
or done more of it.